Yo, what is going on, guys? I gotta be honest, the Cosmic class has been feeling pretty quiet lately. We haven't really had that one champion that comes in and completely shakes the meta. But I think that changes now. Because Phyla-Vell is finally here. And this champion is absolutely loaded. She got true damage, guaranteed critical hits on special attacks, easy access to precision buffs, auto-block countering, and once you understand her rotation, she can hit some absolutely ridiculous special 2 numbers. And the best part, her rotation is pretty straightforward. Like seriously, her rotation is actually way easier than it looks. So if you have looked at her abilities and thought, yeah, I'm not reading all that, don't worry, I'm here. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to play Phyla-Vell in simplest way possible and show you the rotation you'll be using in most of the fights. So let's just jump into it. Understanding the kit. Before we get into the rotation, there are only few things you really need to understand. First, Phyla-Vell wants precision buffs. You gain these naturally through your combo attacks, intercepts, and dexing. As those precision buffs start stacking up, she becomes stronger and stronger. At 3 precision buffs, she gains access to Undermine, which means auto-block champions become much less annoying. And once you reach 5 precision buffs, all of your special attacks gain a 100% critical hit chance. That's where the fun starts. And the second thing you need to understand is Oblivion Energy. Think of Oblivion Energy as Phyla-Vell's damage battery. The more you charge that battery, the more damage you deal. The more Oblivion Energy you build, the harder the special 2 hits. And luckily, building it is actually pretty easy. The rotation. Now let's talk about the rotation itself. At the start of the fight, your goal is simple. Build your precision buffs while pushing towards 3 bars of power. You can do this normally through combos, but intercepting is even better because it helps you stack those precision buffs much faster. As you're doing this, you'll naturally reach that important 5 precision threshold, which means now your special attacks are guaranteed crits. And here's the important part. Do not throw your special 2. Oh, sorry. You can't throw it. Not yet. You can't even use it properly until you have unleashed your Oblivion. So keep pushing until you're just below 3 bars of power. And now, you're in that special 1 phase. Once you're close to 3 bars of power, launch your special 1. This is where everything starts coming together. Your special 1 consumes all of your power and converts it into a massive amount of Oblivion Energy. That means now you charge that battery. Now all you have to do is do some ridiculous damage with that SP2. Why we are doing this is because the more power you had before throwing that special 1, the more Oblivion Energy you'll gain. So ideally, you want to use this SP1 as close to 3 bars of power possible. Now you got that huge amounts of Oblivion Energy stored and you're ready for that big damage phase. Heavy into special 2. After your special 1, try to get a parry or some kind of opening to launch your heavy attack, okay? Once you have an opening, throw your heavy attack. The heavy attack is extremely important because this is what unleashes your Oblivion Energy and converts all of that stored energy into your resonance buff. And that resonance buff is exactly what powers up your special 2. So after the second hit of your heavy attack, immediately cancel into your special 2. So basically heavy attack and wait until the second hit and then cancel immediately into special 2. That's the combo. And when everything is set up correctly, you'll see exactly why people are so excited about this champion and enjoy that ridiculous damage. Those numbers are crazy. Now let's talk about some extra tips. A couple of quick tips before we wrap this up. If you're fighting an auto-block champion, don't forget that Phyla-Vell has easy access to Undermine, making those matchups much easier. And against non-mystic champions, her special attacks also deal true damage, which helps her punch through a lot of defensive mechanics. And if you have her awakened, man, she can gain additional Oblivion Energy from energy damage effects, allowing those SP2 to hit even harder. So overall, I think Phyla-Vell is one of the most exciting cosmic champions we have seen in quite some time. The rotation is straightforward, the damage is impressive, and once you get comfortable with her heavy into special 2, she is actually very easy to play. But now I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about Phyla-Vell? Are you planning to chase her when she arrives? Let me know down in the comment section. I will be reading every comment. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss another video from this channel. And yeah, take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.